to turn on or off one-handed mode for Pixel 10, first we need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and enter the system. Then you should be able to find gestures. Click on them, and here you can look for the one-handed mode that is located right there. Now, depending on which gestures or buttons you have activated for your navigation in this device, you will have different options. So if you're using gestures, you can enable use one-handed mode or disable it right here. If you're using buttons, then you can go for one-handed mode shortcut. Now you can also click on it like this to change how it should be activated. So I prefer the accessibility button right here, and then I can call down one-handed mode like that. To disable it, you can click on the same icon and then turn off one-handed mode shortcut, and that way your one-handed mode will be disabled. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.